Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is Thursday and it's about 6:30 AM and I'm gonna head to the office today. As you may know from my videos, usually I'm a remote worker, but on occasions I do have to go into the office. And today is one of them days. It's 6:30, I've just got up. I need to go and have a shower and get ready and get going. And I thought I'd bring you along today because what I'm going to be doing is I'm setting up for a really big meeting that will happen with a new managing director. Now I'm not actually presenting in the meeting, but I have to go and help set up and make sure it looks good. And that's what I'm going to be doing today. I've already packed my bag. It's like fully packed and ready to go. It's got my laptop, it's got my Pantone book, it's got my notepad and all of that sort of stuff. But I might not need it today because actually the majority of the day I'm going to be putting garments on a wall, on mannequins and all of that sort of stuff. So I thought I'd bring you along so you can kind of see what it's like when you have to set up for these meetings and hopefully what the final result is going to be. I'm only doing one day, but the setup is 2 days, so I'm not going to see the final result, but hopefully I can show you a video at the end of what the final result is. If you are new to this channel, my name's Antony, hello and welcome. I'm a fashion designer with over 10 years experience working for both high-end brands and fast fashion. And this channel is dedicated to helping you becoming the best designer possible and also showing you sneak peek behind the scenes like today. So come along on the journey and yeah, let's go. I'm gonna have a shower and the next time you'll see me, I'm gonna be drying my hair. So see you in a minute. Almost there. Bit of gel to calm it down. That'll do. Alexa, turn on the kettle.
Okay.
Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 7:15 AM.
Almost there. Right. Right, just need to put on my shoes. Okay, so coffee is made, bag's almost packed, just need to put this in. Do I need anything else? Pantone book got, I've got all my notes, I've got everything that I need. It's starting to get a little bit brighter out now. No foxes, so yeah. Yeah, that'll do. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Morning, man.
You right? Yeah, I'm good. Okay, let's go. Have you got your vanilla lattes?
Yeah, I've got one for you as well.
Oh, you got one for me? Oh, thank you. I do have a coffee, so. Okay, so we've just arrived at work now. What time is it, Adam? 9:45, so it's taken us like, what, 2 hours to get here, so quite a while. We're just gonna go into the building now and head up to our pods so we can start setting up for the day. Yeah, God, it looks like it's quite busy in the office today. Look at all the cars. I haven't seen it this busy in ages. Okay, let's go.
Should we walk first?
No, we can get a coffee first. Just gonna get a coffee before we actually go in. Are you getting a coffee from the machine? From Costa? Oh, okay. Are you gonna have one? Yeah, go for one. Can't complain. Oh, what's going on? It looks a bit overfull. Yeah, let's get the lift. Okay, let's go. Hi! Look, I'm filming today. Hi. So that's Laura, she's my buyer, and that's Poppy. She's another buyer that works with Adam on This is the accessories room. It looks so good. Why? What's the secret? Oh, it's fine. Yeah. Okay, first things first, we're just going to set up. You've distracted me, Poppy. No, first things first, we've got a meeting, so we're just going to do that first, and then we're going to start setting up, so then I'll start showing you what we're going to be doing. We're going to have loads of different areas. We're going to have one for jersey, we're going to have one for knitwear, one for accessories, and then we're going to go to outerwear and all of that sort of stuff. So once all of that's started, then I'll start showing you around. Okay. I haven't bought my charger for my laptop.
I've got one.
It's a different charger. Probably. We haven't really got that much to talk about though.
No, I've popped in some bits yesterday because
Figuring out how many options we've got.
Yay.
Oh, are we all in the office? Should we just meet in person?
should we come to men's jersey because we've got the.
Do you want to come to men's jersey? Are you on second floor? Come across. There we go.
See you later.
See you in a bit. Okay, so we've just finished our meeting. Went really well. We've pretty much solved everything that we needed to. We're basically building this moment of music for summer, which will come out week 25. When's that? June, July. So that's great. So if you're watching this in June and July, go into store and buy it because we need the sales. But now we're going to start setting up for this event that we've got on Friday. And basically what it is we've got a new managing director coming in and they want to see what products we've been working on. So we're going to start setting up. Okay, so it's pretty much the end of the day and I haven't recorded as much as I wanted to. I've given you little snippets of what it is, but you know, in all honesty, it's been really difficult today. I don't know why. Things just haven't gone the way I intended. I don't know, it's been quite difficult to build, so in all honesty, I'm gonna go now. Joe's actually staying, Joe, my manager, and she's finishing the setup. But I'm actually at supplies tomorrow, otherwise I'd be back here to help. I just think the way that things have gone, it doesn't really look how I imagined, but Joe's gonna kind of pull it all together and do some bits to make it look a little bit prettier. So yeah, should we go? Okay, I'm gonna head back, and I'll chat to you more when I get home. Okay, so back at home now, and wow, that day was stressful. So as I was saying before I actually left the office, it's like 2 hours later. It takes that long to get home from the office. So basically I live in London but work in Leicester, so it takes me 2 hours to get there, 2 hours to get back, and luckily Adam's got a car, so he picks me up, drops me off and brings me home. So that's great. Thank you, Adam, if you're watching. Absolute godsend. So I didn't record much because I was just here, there and everywhere. I was really kind of stressed out trying to get this presentation pulled together. And basically, at the end of the day, after all of that work, I'm so disappointed because I wasn't able to pull everything together how I wanted it to look, and in all honesty, it could have been better. I just think, like, you know, when you're in that frame of mind and it's difficult to pull it together, that's how it went today, and everything seemed to be going against the build. You know, sometimes when you get in your head and you just can't get it done. I was at that point because I was like, it's just not working. But yeah, overall, today has not gone how I wanted it to. But everyone has an off day, and that's fine. But overall, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to click subscribe. It really helps the channel. Alright, okay, thanks for watching. Alright, bye. Cha cha cha. Bye.